What's up, guys? You're watching another video. Super gloomy day. Finally, bro. It's been super hot for the past like week. Over 100 degrees every single day, bro. But it's finally a little bit cold. It's still hot, but I think it's gonna rain, which is freaking sick. I miss the rain, bro. I miss wearing hoodies. Still not cold enough for a hoodie, but hey, it's better than the freaking sun. It's been like over 100 degrees every single day, guys. It's crazy. Anyways, we're here in the garage. We actually cleaned the whole entire garage. Stay tuned for that video. I'll show it in the probably next video. The 350Z looks amazing. I have not revealed it yet. I know it's all black and white. I'm sorry. I'm still waiting for the reveal, guys. A couple more things I gotta do before I reveal the car to you guys. Obviously, I gotta mount the front bumper. It's not even on yet, bro. As you guys can see, it's mounted by like 2 bolts only. So we gotta mount it all up, make it fit very, very nice, because I hate this bumper sag right here. We gotta put like the under things. Oops, I'm gonna mess it up. Put like the under support on, make the bumper fit right, put all the rest of the bolts on. I gotta lower the car because obviously it's way too lifted. We put the new coilovers on and I never adjusted them. So I have to adjust those, lower it a little bit. We gotta get these cleaned up a little bit more because they're a little messed up still from the sun damage. Polish them up, replace the windshield, replace the rear window onto this hatch. Still gotta do that. I gotta put like little things on, like the antenna back on. Good news though, the door handles are working now. We got new door handles on both sides. The mirror's not sagging anymore. It's fixed, all good. New headlights, obviously. Look at this, guys. They look beautiful. I haven't even showed you guys, but yeah, brand new headlights. Looks so clean. But this is how the car looks all put together. I'm sure in black and white it still looks pretty cool, but I can't wait to show you guys the real color. It's so sick. I cannot wait. Comment down below, what color do you guys think we did the Z? We gotta watch this thing. Look how bad the GTR is. I don't even know what all this is, bro. It's so dirty. But anyways, look at the garage. We got it all cleaned. I vlogged a little bit of that. I'll show it in the next video, but we cleaned out the entire garage because it was a mess. We got the dirt bike in the back. Yes, I still got the dirt bike, guys. We're gonna be taking it out soon, hopefully. Waiting for the weather to get a little cooler, bro. It's way too hot. But anyways, today's video, as you guys can see by the title and thumbnail, we are gonna whip this thing. And what better weather could have been, bro, to be driving a rear-wheel drive E92 M3. I'm super hyped. Alright guys, before we get too far into the video, I want to give a huge shout out to Simply Carbon Fiber. The guys at Simply Carbon Fiber has been a huge sponsorship on the channel. I've been rocking their carbon fiber wallet forever, but we just switched over to their brand new forged carbon fiber wallet. This thing is really, really sick. Now I got both, bro, and I don't know which one to use. We have the regular carbon fiber weave wallet that I've been rocking, but this new forged carbon is really, really sick. This is their slim wallet. It has a little money clip on the back. It holds all of my cards and it's very, very thin and light. I love this wallet so much because it fits perfectly in my pocket. I wear a lot of skinny jeans and I hate holding big, bulky wallets. And also, who doesn't like carbon fiber, bro? I have carbon fiber all over my cards, and now I got a carbon fiber wallet to hold all my cards, all my money. We got a lucky $2 bill right there. But I absolutely love their products. I've been rocking their wallets every single day. They also make a ton of other accessories like phone cases, sunglasses, a lot of other things. If you guys want to check them out, I'm gonna leave the link down below. It's the first link in the description. And if you guys do cop a wallet or sunglasses or a phone case, make sure to use code NICK10 at checkout and it'll give you guys 10% off your purchase. And you guys will not regret it, bro. This wallet is super sick and I love it. Shout out to the homie Hugo. Hugo is always willing to let me drive his car. This is his E92 M3. Everyone right now, I don't know why everybody is sleeping on Hugo's channel. Go to his channel right now. I'm gonna leave the link down below. It's gonna be like the first link up top. Hugo's YouTube channel, it's Filming Hugo. He makes a bunch of dope vlogs. He has the E92 M3, makes a bunch of BMW content, and he actually moved down here, guys. So he's gonna be in all my videos and I'm gonna be in all his videos. So if you guys wanna see more content of me and more behind the scenes of me, because he films a lot, bro. And he films a lot of the funny stuff that I miss. Go to his channel right now, subscribe. I'm gonna be waiting right now, guys. Go to his channel. Go subscribe, get Hugo to 10K, he is almost there. I'm trying not to show the Z, but he got the Conce wheels on there, 18-inch wheels, they look freaking amazing. These are off my E46 M3 drift car, which I still have, guys. I gotta fix that car next, but one car at a time. We got the Conce wheels, we got the carbon fiber side skirts, carbon fiber wing. He actually has my old exhaust on here, so the exact same straight pipe that I had on my car, he has it on his. So his car actually sounds just like how my E92 sounded. Exactly the same, bro. The carbon fiber diffuser. I don't know what happened right here. Something happened right here. Yeah, it's stick shift, it's manual, which is freaking sick. You have the carbon fiber front lip. Obviously, you have to have the GT4 lip on these cars. E92 M3s need this front lip, bro. It's the best front lip for these cars. It looks amazing. I think the next thing he wants to do is do headlights and lower it. And then get new wheels. I think he wants to do some different wheels. And also wrap the car too. What color should Hugo wrap the car, guys? Comment down below. And hopefully it starts raining more. So maybe we could do a little bit of some donuts or something. Look at this thing. This thing's still here. David's F80. Our driveway right now looks like some rainbows, bro. If you guys can see the color on my 350Z and a yellow F80 and like a bluish E92, the rainbow GTR and the colorful 350Z, this looks crazy, bro. Look at this driveway. This driveway goes right here. Imagine there are all my cars. I wish, bro. I really wish I had my E92 still, and I wish I added the F80. We would have everything right here, plus the E46. My garage would have been crazy, bro, but hopefully soon we're gonna add the F80 to the garage. But for now, we got all the homies' cars out here, and it looks like a Need for Speed Fast and the Furious house, bro. All right, guys, this shit's gonna be so loud. Who else misses that noise, bro? Every time I started a vlog, so loud. I bet you my neighbors do not miss this. I know my neighbors don't miss this. God. That's what a straight piped M3 sounds like, guys. For those of you who don't want to go straight piped. The setup that he's running is the same one that I had. So what we did was test pipes, which removed the cats, and then you remove the secondary cats, remove the muffler, and the only thing left is the resonator. This is the only thing I kept. I think that's like the best sounding setup that I found. Most inexpensive setup too. This freaking setup will cost you like $100 if you take it to a muffler shop and have them cut everything off and just keep the resonators. That's like my best sound I think that I've gone so far. I don't know. I've went through like 6 different exhaust setups on my E92 when I had it, but this one sounds good, bro. I love it. If you guys support me, everyone go and support Hugo right now and subscribe to his channel. All right, let's get it. Bro, Hugo legit has mosquitoes in here. I don't know if it's the weather or what, but I'm getting bit up by mosquitoes, bro. Oh, it's so loud, bro. I miss driving a loud car. The GTR is not that loud at all. We were watching old E92 videos yesterday, and it made me miss my car so much, bro. I forgot how sick my car was and how much flames it shot, bro. I'll throw a clip in right here of the video we were watching yesterday.
Yo, it's spitting flames, dog.
I missed that car, bro. I had a crazy tune on it. This exhaust setup, it was crazy. Sounds so sick. I'm so glad it's raining, bro. I've been waiting for it to rain. First off, because I'm tired of the heat. But second, because I want to drift, bro. The Z's almost done. We're gonna take that thing out, drift it in the rain. It's gonna be sick. I miss this car, bro. It's such a fun car, even like on the turns and stuff. My favorite place to drive this car was in the canyons. That was my favorite place. I used to do so many point of view drives in the canyon, if you guys remember that. I know a lot of people have been messaging me too lately saying that they missed the point of view videos. Well, here you go. We got one. If you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button right now. And if you guys enjoyed this video already, smash the like button for me. It helps me out a lot. We're trying to hit 150K subscribers. We're almost there. 150,000, bro. That's insane. It always blows my mind every single time I look at my subscribers. I appreciate you guys so much. Also, I forgot to mention, a new merch drop is coming, guys. A new merch drop. I'm trying to get back into it, start doing merch drops more frequently like I used to. But we're doing a merch drop with the 350Z reveal. It's gonna be sick. It's probably one of my favorite designs. I'm gonna put it on the screen right here. I'll tease you guys a little bit. Usually I save it for the day of to show you guys. Oh, look at it, there's a cop. Oh, I just missed him. Comment down below, what do you guys think about the new merch? I had to put it in black and white, obviously, but we're doing a merch drop with the reveal of the wrap, so it's gonna be sick. I can't wait. And the white t-shirts are fire, bro. I cannot wait. It's gonna be my favorite t-shirt, I think. Hopefully within the next week, I promise, guys. I'm not gonna let you guys wait any longer. I missed this weather, bro. You guys know we gotta start off with some donuts real quick, I think. I just wanna make sure there's no security, bro. Last time I did donuts right here, some security guards started chasing us out of here. All right, we're gonna have to go to the other spot. I know one more other spot. God, it sounds sick. I gotta get used to driving stick again, bro. Cool little spot in Mexico over here. What do you guys prefer, stick shift or DCT? Comment down below. Both are fun. They're both sick. They both have their advantages, I guess. Personally though, I just want a stick shift car. E92s are the funnest cars to drift. Bro, there's no way it's that loud. Oh my god, bro, that is ridiculously loud. I'm not used to driving a loud car anymore. It's too loud, Hugo. I can hear it's like power steering making noise. My E92 used to do that too. I think when it gets hot, bro, it starts making noise. Even though we only did like a couple donuts. Oh shit! What do you say? I think that guy said there's cops. Thank you, sir. God damn, this shit sounds sick. Oh, it was him that was making noise, the Honda. He likes it. Sick ass Honda, sick ass food. Pretty cool Honda. There you go, the power steering sounds normal again. I think it just gets hot, bro. That's what my E92 used to do too. Oh, I don't want to break his lip. Oh, that was clean. Clean? Ah! I almost got it, bro. I need to practice that. Anyways, guys, like I said, if you guys like seeing the E92 and you guys want to see more of it, go to Hugo's channel, bro. He makes so much content with this car. And he has a lot of stuff planned for it too. He still wants to wrap it, like I said, lower it, put new wheels on it. But yeah, it's dope that he moved down here now. He used to live in Fresno, but it's dope that he moved down here now because we can make content with this car all the time. We even got David's F80 that we can throw on the channel all the time. So it's sick. Hopefully when we all start settling in, because he just moved down here last week and we all get on each other's schedules and stuff, we can all start filming more content together, doing more car things together. It'll be sick. I want to launch it, bro. I think I'm gonna do it up here. Shit's gonna spin like crazy probably. Right here. Okay, I'm done. I'm done, Hugo. I'm not gonna mess it up no more. God damn, that shit was crazy. It probably looked sick from the outside. It was doing the rev limiter thing like my E92, bro. I have my favorite video of the E92, bro. I did like a launch control in the desert. You guys have probably seen this video before. The red line sounds crazy. That was fun. Anyways, cool little video. I'm probably gonna take it home now. I don't want to abuse this car too much, bro. It's not my car. Oh, look at that guy. That's a sign to go home, bro. Highway patrol? Hell no, you don't want to mess with those guys. I'm just kidding. He turns around. Oh shit. Anyways, I'm gonna take it home. I don't want to mess up his car, guys. We did like a couple launches, one donut, but that'll be good. I don't want to mess it up. Oh my god, I just stalled, bro. I just stalled, bro. That's so embarrassing, bro. I just stalled. crazy how these cars redline all the way to 8,000 RPMs, bro. Got the Z wrapped. Hopefully we're revealing it within this week, guys. Stay tuned for that. Follow me on Instagram. I'll keep you guys updated when I'm gonna reveal it. And after the 350Z is all complete and up and running, then we'll move to the E46 drift car and fix that thing, guys, so we can get that thing up and running. That's my favorite car of all time, bro. It's so sick and so fun to drive. Sick ass food. State rev. Look at Hugo right here.
What are you doing, bro?
I stole your car.
No way.
What are you doing, Hugo Lives?
I'm at work, bro.
I'm already going home, bro. I don't want to mess it up. I'm scared.
You're doing donuts, huh?
I did one donut.
I already know you ass.
How do you put this in reverse?
Far left up.
Oh, I was going the wrong way.
You're supposed to put it on 6th gear, no way.
Put that shit on 6th gear, bro. Yes, I love it. All right, guys. Well, that's gonna end the video right there. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hopefully it was a pretty good video. Hugo needs oil, bro. I gotta remind him. But as you guys can see, it's starting to rain, but it's so hot, bro. I'm sweating, so I cannot wait to go inside, edit this video for you guys, post it for you tomorrow. If you guys enjoyed today's video, smash the like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you guys are not already. Stay tuned for the new merch drop. If you guys want to cop some of the old merch drop, I still got a couple hoodies left for this sweater weather right here. Shop FindingNick.com. I'll leave the link down below as well. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, subscribe to Hugo, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Also, I forgot to mention, go subscribe or follow. I don't know how it works, but go follow my Twitch, guys. I've been trying to live stream on Twitch. We did it for the first time yesterday, me and Hugo. It was pretty funny, but it's hard to get you guys to go watch because no one even knows I have a Twitch. Or just go to your Twitch app or twitch.com, whatever it is, and just look up FindingNick. It's just FindingNick like that. I'm gonna try to go live tonight. I try to go live every night, bro. So go over there, follow so you guys can get notified or however how it works. I don't know. It's my first time on Twitch, but I'm trying to do it. I'm trying to learn it. So twitch.com/FindingNick. Go get it.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.